Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode of A Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I feel like it has been a minute from doing a Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I wanted to make sure that I had one for you for this week. YouTuber problems. So I wanted to make sure I did a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Make sure to check out the playlist. I'm going to link it in the description box, as well as all of the participants who participate weekly on the Tiny Tidy team. Hashtag Tiny Tidy team. So this weekend was my birthday, and let me tell you, I relaxed, and thank you so much for all of your birthday wishes. I absolutely appreciated every single one of you who wished me a happy birthday. And to be honest, I had one of those birthdays where I just wanted to chillax, get it, chill and relax. So that's what I did. I really just gave myself some time to just rejuvenate and reset, re-energize, and I had a wonderful day yesterday. And so today is kind of like where I'm feeling more recharged. I have energy today. So I woke up super early and I paid the bills. I went through all of my mail. Ooh, which reminds me, I gotta grab the bag to put in the recycling so I don't forget. And so trying to do my caregiving with my mom. I just got done doing physical therapy with her. So she's just having a moment just to catch her breath and relax with the relaxing music that I have playing for her. And I'm just going around trying to tidy up what I can, since I really didn't do much yesterday. So I'm kind of behind, but that's okay. So why don't you come along with me on this Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Alright, I added some more of the cream of, mushroom, cream of chicken, added some other canned foods that I had in our extra storage space, and reorganized it. It looks much better. A good little tidy. And then over here, these are just some of the almonds. So I'm going to put this in a small little bag. I'm the only one that likes to snack on almonds, so I'm going to go and have some of those. These are items that I'm going to go ahead and declutter. Like, this is old now, and same thing with the ketchup, and unfortunately the pickles. But I have another jar in there. And then these are some of the stuff I was thinking I could probably throw this on my salad for tomorrow. So I'm going to keep those kind of out so I know to use that on our green salad tomorrow. This one, it already feels kind of tough. It was really good. Soft and juicy mango at Trader Joe's. This is really good. It's really sweet though. Wow. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that out. And then I found this in there, so I thought I might as well just give this to little Ellie next door, Cassidy. So that will go to them. This will be out. I consolidated more spaghetti in there, so that is out. All of this gone. I went to all of the bathrooms of the house and loaded up the trash bag so that I can place some of these in here. Just doing things around the house, little tidies here and there. They add up, man. Alright, as I went out to dump the garbage, I noticed that Jay still has these up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and help the guy out and take these upstairs and tidy up this little space here. Alrighty. I'm just gonna place them here because I really don't know, first of all, where it's going to fit, and second of all, which side he likes to put him. So I'm gonna leave that right here for him. As I was brushing my teeth, I noticed that my mirror, what is a good camera angle? I noticed my mirror needs a bit of a wipe, and I figure why not do a little tiny tidy. I just need a wipe and, you know, do the things, do the little things like tiny tidies. They add up. So let me know in the comments down below, what are you tiny tidying today? Like for me, I'm doing little tiny tidies around the house to get me back on track. Since I have Queen G done with her physical therapy, taking a moment. This is a great opportunity to like do what I gotta do. Nothing too cray-cray. And you're right, I still need to get that tray. Remember how we all talked about that? Just kidding. Don't forget to click on one of these videos here for some more motivation. Until the next one, bye.